Americans just don't buy premium hatchbacks. At least that's the refrain that we keep hearing from European automakers. But much like how a spoonful of sugar makes the medicine go down, the new BMW X2 is hoping that a healthy dose of SUV DNA will help premium buyers accept a too tall hatchback. The new X2 is just a little bit shorter and a little bit lower than the X1, about 3 inches in either dimension, and its really low ride height makes me think it's a little bit better suited than urban canyons than actual canyons, despite its ruggedized look. But that's fine. Now under the hood, you'll find a 2-liter turbocharged engine making 228 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. And though it's based on a front-wheel drive platform, all-wheel drive is standard for this generation. Now speaking of standard, the interior is pretty standard BMW DNA, which means it's got a premium cabin, and in the dashboard you've got up to a 9-inch version of BMW's newest version of iDrive, with things like Apple CarPlay, wireless charging, and BMW's connected car technologies. You can expect it to hit dealerships around spring of 2018, and we'll have more details on things like fuel economy and price closer to launch. So what do you think? Do you like the fact that this is a small SUV, or would you prefer that BMW just build a premium hatchback? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to stay tuned to the rest of our coverage of the 2018 Detroit Auto Show for even more cool cars.